I'm Prachi. I'm lactation consultant. We are celebrating World Breastfeeding Week and today is day 3. Earlier we have discussed about advantages of breastfeeding for the baby and mother, and today we will be discussing about the newborn stomach size, as this will be helping mothers to understand how much feed their newborn would require. The stomach of the baby is really tiny at birth and keeps on growing each day. On day 1, baby's stomach is really tiny. It's the size of a small cherry. This can only accommodate around 5 ml of milk, that is 1 small teaspoon. Since mother's milk comes in on day 3 or 4 and mother can only feed small thick colostrum to baby in those initial 2-3 days, this works well with both baby and the mother. Colostrum is rich in immunoglobulins and provides instant immunity to the baby from infections. It is advisable to use hand expression during those initial days to express milk and not breast pump. By day 2, baby's stomach capacity increases to 10 to 15 ml, that is 2 to 3 teaspoons or almost 1 full tablespoon. On day 3, baby's stomach capacity increases to that of a walnut, and now this can accommodate almost 15 ml to 30 ml of milk, that is around 1 to 2 tablespoons or 3 to 6 teaspoons. On days 4, 5 and 6, baby's stomach capacity increases constantly and baby can now accommodate 40 ml to 60 ml of milk, that is 2 to 4 tablespoons of milk. After day 3, mother's milk also comes in and this accommodates baby's need for additional milk. By day 7, baby's stomach increases and becomes the size of an apricot. This can now accommodate around 50 to 75 ml of milk, which is around 4 to 5 tablespoons or roughly half a cup of milk. By the end of 1 month, baby's stomach is the size of an egg. This can now accommodate around 50 to 75 ml of milk, same as day 7 or more. The reason for this whole discussion on newborn stomach size was to answer this one common question that all mothers have. Why do babies feed so often? The reason for babies to feed often is, first, their stomach capacity is really small as we saw, and second, they are trying to grow. They are trying to grow at a much faster rate than an adult. That's why they need feed more frequently. So this was all about newborn baby stomach capacity, and tomorrow we shall be discussing about baby feeding cues. For more detailed information on newborn baby stomach size and free printable, click on the link in the description box.
For more details, visit us on our website www.prachilactation.com, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. This is Samar and Trisha signing out. Bye bye.